Hey guys, I'm cleaning out the refrigerator in my garage today. It's long overdue. It's so nasty. So that's what I'm gonna get started on. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This video is long overdue. I have had tech issues, camera issues, and I'm just gonna face it, I've had motivation issues as far as filming and cleaning. It has been so busy. I know everyone is busy this time of year, especially us busy mamas when we have kids. They're full back into the swing of school and all that school has going on. So thank you so much for joining me. I am cleaning out this refrigerator today. It's our drink fridge, stays out in the garage. We have had some issues as far as bugs. So my husband and I agreed that step one would be to clean out the side of the garage that has the food, and that's the refrigerator side, or the refrigerator freezer side. I do just clean out the refrigerator side of the appliance today, so one day soon hopefully I can get to the freezer side. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I am so glad you're here. Okay, I'm not sure if y'all caught it a few seconds back, but when I was taking everything out, one of the shelves just completely collapsed on me, and so all the drinks and everything that was on the shelf just starts spilling out. So I have to call my husband for help. I was the damsel in distress, and he came and rescued me, but it cut my finger a little bit on top of my pointer finger at the knuckle. So I had to deal with that. I had to put a Band-Aid on it, and I'm actually still dealing with it. It's not closed up completely, but anyways, just goes to show you that whenever you sit down to finally do something is going to happen, but that's okay. I'm going to push through, and so I hope that you find some motivation to get some cleaning done around your house. I'm going to put on some good music now and quit talking. Thank you again for joining me. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoy this kind of content. And I'll be back to discuss something soon after some music.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong?
I'm using the Dawn spray soap in the pumpkin spice scent. I saw that, and anytime that cleaning can be more fun, I try to purchase it if there's something like that. So anyways, that's what product I'm using, and it smells really good.
I need somebody to love. Oh, no, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah, nah.
I will just take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Mary Lou. I make motherhood lifestyle content here on YouTube, and I've been experimenting over on Instagram as well and TikTok. So go follow me over there. Same handles at Mary Louver Boyce. So yeah, anyways, that's me. I'm so glad you're here. I want mothers and women to feel encouraged, and I want them to know that they're not alone, that we're all overwhelmed and we're just all trying to get it done. And I find that encouraging to know that, I'm not the only one that's dealing with the overwhelm of life, having to keep up kids, keep a house clean, keep a home, all the things. So thank you so much for being here.
Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, no, no. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
One of the shelves was super stuck, and so instead of doing my normal MO, which would be to force it and then break it, I called my husband to come help me again.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
The good thing about this project was that it was outside and the kids could just play in the garage and the driveway, and we could all be together as a family. I did do this on a Sunday, so that actually worked out perfect. I was able to get this project done and feel productive while feeling somewhat present there for the kids as well.
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
enjoy cleaning to good upbeat music, but I noticed some of the other cleaning channels have soft mellow music while others just have voiceover with someone talking to them the whole time. Drop me a comment below and let me know which you prefer, if you like upbeat music to clean to, or low mellow music, or no music at all and just someone talking. And even though this was a big undertaking, especially having 3 small children, I was able to get it done all within about 2 hours, so I felt really good about that time frame.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind.
Thank y'all for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the refrigerator transformation. It was so disgusting. It was very satisfying to clean, and now I'm all done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, I will see you. Subscribe. Bye.